What?
Turn me on. Turn me on again.
Your test angle.
There you go. I hope he runs out of Look at him blow your eardrums off.
What have you got? Yeah, what's your new toy? Come on, let's see it. Ooh, okay.
Luke, cover your ears. Oh no, I've said that off.
Oh, I see. Is that fucking blank firing? What the fuck?
It's funny. It scares people like him.
What? I don't know what I was expecting, but...
It's not allowed that. Yeah. I'm aware of it. I thought you could hear the barrel more than just my fucking gun.
Shoot off that way. Yeah, okay.
We can get it out of here. Hello? I've got a spare one here. You've got a YouTube channel?
We sure do.
Is that the one with the music?
Yep.
I'll fucking sing you lot right around.
Oh, we have so got this locked down.
I think they're hot.
Oh shit.
Watch out, you're right.
Yep.
Got you.
You got him?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You got 6-wheeler. What? Marcus, there's like 3 of them pushing that way. Other side of the road. Behind the pallet.
Behind the what? Oh, the pallet.
They're dead. Medicine behind the pallet. Yeah, go.
Better not be fucking. It's doing it again.
Water barrel.
Where? I need to move from here, this is not good.
Oh. 6-wheeler. Front.
Fuck off. Alright, try this one.
Hit!
Two now. Hit!
You just shot yourself, didn't you?
Oh, well,
You just took a ricochet, I'm pretty sure. Or you shot yourself. And it pushed him.
There's someone behind the taxi.
Marcus, watch this.
He's dead? He's dead, Jake. Yeah, yeah.
Marcus, get these guys to suppress as well. I'll push to there and throw.
Yo, suppress!
Marcus! Woohoo!
Yeah, I hear him taking shots.
I'm gonna run to him.
Orange in the taxi! You see him behind that
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
on the right. To the left one. I'll free fire it.
Hello, Walker.
Good shot, mate. Right, go.
There's a half ghillie pushing left.
I'm gonna try and get
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna try a Hail Mary here. Marcus, switch basically.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try and get a Hail Mary on those two.
yeah, we can see.
Fuck! The guy's saying if it was a metre further he would have called him dead.
Where are we off to then? London. Let's go see the Queen. Is this actually? Oh shit, it does. Please close. No, like a fucking 40 mic could go right through. If this gun fucking pisses air on me when I do this, I'm gonna be so mad.
Do it quick.
Didn't piss air on you, so.
He's not dead.
No, I missed. Someone pushing left? Oh, yeah. Someone pushing left?
Just hit my GoPro. Piss there.
What's that? What was that? Smoke? I don't know, but I'm fucked now. I'm about to find out if it's smoke. Firing!
Fire! Excuse me.
You know.
Ah shit, we just moved back.
Gas!
We need to push back, they're pushing up. Do you care about the objective or just want to shoot things?
Shoot things. I don't even know what the objective is.
There you go. Yeah.
There's two of them behind. Okay, I'm going to spray that barrel with the holes in it, hopefully.
I got the guy. I got the guy beside the bus.
Let's see how well this goes.
Oh, there's a ghillie on that
He's
side.
going to get his shot so far. Come on, run across, quick. Run across. Oh, my plan didn't work.
Nice.
It feels like pushing.
I'm out of ammo completely.
You know where to find the footage.
Anyone got a spare M4 mag? Yeah. Anyone got a spare M4 mag?
What do you want, black or tan?
Don't mind. Sick.
I don't think it's got ammo in, but...
It does.
Where do you want to run to?
I'm not going that way.
Oh, what I'm running?
Whoa! The hop is so different for this mag.
Yeah, that mag.
Hold that. Just gonna do it without the mag. I got one shot in the chamber. I got one shot in the chamber, boys.
Yeah.
I got one shot. one shot in the chamber.
That's it.
That's it. Unless you have a spare M4 mag. Oh!
Yeah, 1 second.
Hang on. One shot. Oh, sniper on the right. How's this hopping? Very high. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. Try and move forward to this barrel.
Hit! Ready? He's on the left over there. In the tree.
I'll see me, I'll see him. Straight down here.
Yeah. There's another guy over there. Watch the left!
Equally the better shot.
Hey. Oh.
Definitely didn't nick you off my mate.
I'm a new player anyway, so I'll probably won't hit nothing.
Any of you played at a black site?
No.
Nah, I played Epsom. Ah, you're getting mud all over me.
It's out.
Ah, I thought you said that had ammo in.
Keep an eye on that.
Go bang on, no.
Who shot you in the head, Jay?
I don't suppose I could use your pistol. I'm completely out of ammo. Thank you. I'm planning on pushing the bus. Alright, cool.
I'll come with you, I'll give you some cover.
We're in the boat.
Hello. Friendly. I got the box. 3 seconds, boys. I really hope I'm. We got the box, boys. I don't know whose pistol this is. I borrowed it off someone and it disappeared.
Yeah?
Hey! Hey!
Come upstairs, bring the box down, please.
Box, yeah? Alright. One box for you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now, where's mine? Is it MCX? Yes, beautiful. Thank you very much.